Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here, and today we will be picking another lock from the box that I got from Dawn Picks. So again, check out his channel here or in this video description. And yeah, it's one of my favorites in BKS, but it's an Pete set, and yeah, it looks a bit different to what I'm used to. So I'm excited to see what's inside. But if the pinning is somewhat very similar to I've shown already in another video, then this video will never see the daylight. So if you're seeing this here, expect to see some different pinning in the inside. So let's get it in a vise and set the focus. And yeah, I'm using a 1mm tensioner, so the keyway is a bit different, a bit worn out maybe, because usually you can only use 0.8mm in a multi-pick. So let's get started. From the back, 5 is binding. Three, no, that was 2. 5 again, 4, 3, nothing. 1, very deep set, 2, good click. And now 3. Four again. Maybe 5. Yeah. Oh, dropping the tensioner, but I think we're open. Yep. Okay, so not so tough. If the keyway is not so tight, it's a bit easier. So let's rotate it somewhere and get in the gutting tools. First of all, get the C-clip off. Okay, almost there. So there we go. Pinning shoe. Oh, I bet it's a bit dirty on the inside. Yep. So this is how deep the pins set in the lock. Actually, the bitting, did I show that in detail? So very short 1, then long 2, medium 2, short 4, and longer 4, 5. So let's get a front follower. Tweezers. Always forget the tweezers. Oh, oops. Ah, nice mushroom. And 1. mushroom in 2. Mushroom 3. Mushroom in 4. Mushroom in 5, I guess, huh? No, standard. Yeah, okay, makes sense to have one standard in there. Just so the key inserts better. So I will skip the effectiveness of the pins. But let's get them out. Two standard. That's 2. Three is also standard. One standard. 4 standard. And 5 doesn't want to come out. There you go. So yeah, I think it's a bit different to what I've shown, but I will check again. I've shown one older BKS and I think the pinning was maybe a bit similar but still different. So yeah, these old ones have mushrooms, it seems, a lot, like in 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice mushrooms with a very thin lip. They give very nice feedback for picking. And then we have a standard in 5. So yeah, I guess that's all I have on this BKS P set. Probably an 88 or so, I don't know, but just P set. And anything special on the cores though? No, just a lot of grease. So yeah, thank you all for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.